me give one example. I seen one of my student, right, who is having some problem like this. Listen. Whenever I'm teaching algorithm subject in one of the batch, first day class is over. He met me personally because that time is, I think, right, on offline class. One batch I'm teaching, right? So that is the offline class. Right after class is over, he met me in the right. After class is over, he met me and he said one small line. Sir, can I say something? I said, okay, say. Then he simply said that, sir, my BTech percentage is, right, 32. He met me in the break time, right? After class over, he met me in the staff room. He said to me, sir, can I say something? I said, okay, go ahead. He said to me, sir, I got BTech percentage 32. I'm taking water that time. He said, my BTech percentage 32. I thrown the water bottle on his face. Because if you study normal way also, right? So you will get, people used to get the 50%, 60%, 70%. Normal way, if you study also, minimum you will get 60%. But that Buffalo got 32%. 32% BTech. What kind of human being he is? I thrown the water bottle on his face. By God grace, cricket and all, he catched the water bottle. Then immediately I shouted at him, 32 BTech percentage, what you done in 4 years? Then he started explaining, sir, whenever I'm studying first year BTech, when I'm studying, right, exams are tomorrow, today night in the accident, my mama, papa expired. He said to me like this, tomorrow exam, first year BTech final exams are tomorrow, today night in the accident, right, my mama, papa both expired. So that time I also want to die, but somehow I survived. By thinking about this one, 4 years BTech, I didn't done great work and all. So whenever I'm in the third year, right? Whenever I'm in the third year, I have approximately, right, 35 backlogs I have. So within fourth year, I cleared all somehow. Within fourth year, right, at the end of the third year, 30 backlogs he is having approximately. At the end of the fourth year, he completed all the 30 subjects. Somehow he passed. 32 BTech percentage he is having. Whatever it may be the reason, 32 BTech percentage he is having. So then I felt I hugged him directly because last year 30 subjects he passed. I felt so good. Right, then he asked me one more line. Sir, my BTech percentage is 32. Can I get the good gate rank or not? Then I simply said that, right, fourth year you completed the 30 subjects means you are really extraordinary students. No doubt in that. Without thinking anything negative, please go ahead and continue. So he continued at the end of the algorithm subject, right? So that institute is conducted one exam, algorithm subject, is the topper in that exam. The person who got 32 BTech percentage, right? Finally, right, in the algorithm subject is over. In the test, he got the first rank. So he got a lot of confidence. So he started next subject also. Trust me, right? At the end of the gate exam, is over. Results are announced. He called me. Gate exam is over. Results are announced. He called me. Night 2 o'clock, he called me. So he called me night 2 o'clock. I'm sleeping. He called me. Right? I lift the phone. Right? I said, who are you? I said, sir, whether you remembered or not, my BTech percentage is 32 and all. Then I said, yes, I remembered. Night 2 o'clock, he called me and he said, sir, whether you remembered or not, I don't know. My BTech percentage is 32. I said, yes, I remembered. Please say, sir, gate results are announced. My rank is 16. 1-6, all India rank 16 he got. All India rank 16. BTech 32 percentage. Gate rank is 16. What can you say about that person? What way you are worse than him? What way you are worse? BTech 32 means you can imagine what kind of person he is. You don't have discipline. You don't have anything. Finally, gate rank is 16. I want to touch his feet. He came. After results are announced, he said to me, sir, I want to meet you tomorrow. Can I come? I said, okay, come. right? He's given some speeds also, he touched my feet also, everything is okay. But I said to him that day itself, you are inspiration to the next generation. So I used to say every time, right, this particular story. 32 BTech percentage got 16th rank. Can't you get? What way is better than you? Please make sure this, right? If you really want to get nice rank, no one can stop you. Do you believe or not? Do you believe on that person joined, right? IIT Bombay. That person joined IIT Bombay, right? One day again, right? Night 1 o'clock he called me. Night 1 o'clock he called me. I lifted the phone. I said, sir, are you remembered me? I said, I don't know. Sir, my BTech percentage is 32. My gate rank is 16. Do you remember? Yeah, I said, yes. Yes. Then he said that, sir, I got Uber. I got Uber in one of the software, right? Uber software company he got. His package is 1.5 crore. 1.5 crore package he got. I said, oh my God, from where to where he's going? I really, so US, right? US based, right? In the US, he got the job. US, right? He came, US purpose, they are recruiting, right? 1.5 crore job he got. Then I asked him, can you give half crore? I asked him, can you give half crore? So I think, so he just loudly laughed. He said, yes, right? Whether he's given half crore or not is a different story, right? But he is the inspiration. If anyone thinking that you are less than him, if anyone thinking like that, I'm really saying to you, no one less than anyone. How much hard work you will keep, how much you believe yourself, that only will bring the final result. Please be careful. At least from today onwards, please start hard work. Do nice way utilize every minute. One student said to me, right, one of your friend in the chat, written, sir, to get into IIT, minimum 60% is required. 32% is how you will get. Right? He applied for IIT Bombay, he got. Right? So afterward, they start verifying. So he got BTech 32%. Right? So that IIT Bombay, that director and all, they came and they asked him, your BTech percentage 32, right? So what is the reason? What is this and all? He said the same story. Whatever story he said to me, same story he said to director also. Sir, my past, right? What is that story? Right? BTech is going on final first year. Before that day, my mama, papa expect total story, he said. Afterwards, I started working hard, right? So nowadays I am working more hard work I'm doing. That is the reason I got all India rank 16. Sir, please give chance to me to prove myself again. So they are also, after all, human being. They happily accepted it. They simply said that, okay, go ahead. Even though your BTech person is 32, but you are keeping extraordinary hard work. That is the reason you got 16th rank. That is the reason you got the 16th rank. So they simply said that, okay, continue. They continued, right? Finally, he got the Uber company, 1.5 crores. Recently, he joined in the Google. His package is 3 crores. His package is 3 crores. Where to where he went, I don't know. Trust me, if you do really nice work, no one can stop you.